Hi, I'm Julia with TravelNurseSource.com, and lately we've noticed people asking several common questions about travel nursing. I'm going to attempt to answer them for you as best as I can. Here we go. One of the most common questions we've heard people asking is what to pack when you go on a travel nurse assignment. It can feel overwhelming when you're trying to figure out what you'll need over the next 13 weeks, but don't worry. We have an entire video that covers the ultimate travel nurse packing checklist. You can click here to check it out. Our best tips are to pack a little bit of everything, but don't overdo it. And be sure to check the weather of where you're going so you know what kinds of clothes you'll need. How early do you have to arrive in your new city before your assignment starts? It's recommended that you arrive at least 3 days prior to your first day on the job, but if you can arrive earlier, do it. This will give you plenty of time to adjust to your new surroundings, get settled into your new place, and prepare for orientation without feeling stressed or rushed. Plus, getting there early can help you avoid any housing issues you might face upon arrival. You may be wondering, how do you get your car to your assignment? Travel nurses have many options when it comes to transportation while they're on their assignment. Some people choose to drive their cars to their new city, while others choose to have their cars shipped to them if they don't feel comfortable with the drive. Just keep in mind that shipping a car is expensive, and the price varies depending on the type of car and distance of travel. Sometimes travel nurses decide not to bring their cars with them and rent one when they get to their assignment. Pick whichever option works the best for you. How far is housing from the hospital? The answer to this question varies from hospital to hospital and from assignment to assignment. If you decide to go with agency housing, you can bank on being pretty close to the hospital you're working at, but be sure to ask your recruiter for the specific distance. If you decide to find your own housing, the distance just depends on if you can find something close that fits your needs. An important question to consider is, do you feel safe traveling alone? As a travel nurse, you'll most likely be moving to a new city where you don't know anyone yet, which means you'll be on your own while traveling and working. Make sure you feel comfortable with this before you travel so you can ensure a more positive experience. Doing research and finding resources will help with this too. Finally, how do you meet people while traveling? It can feel scary when you move to a city and don't know anyone yet, but don't worry about this too much. You'll make fast friends with your coworkers while you work your shifts. Plus, you'll meet new people as you get involved in your community. Whether it be through going out, joining a workout class, or participating in a club, you'll be able to make friends that can last a lifetime. Do you have any other common questions about travel nursing? Drop them in the comments below and we'll try to answer them for you.